What is up, guys? Alright, the sun is finally up and it's a freaking sunny day. Proto25 is out. Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna take it for a test flight. We're gonna just cruise. I'm here by the sea. So we're just gonna do some cinematic stuff and then I'll head over to another place for some freestyling if it's capable. So stay tuned for that too. And yeah, if you don't know about this quad, this is the Proto25 from betaflight's Proto FPV. If you haven't watched my previous video, go watch it now. I did a quick look, a first look on this quad. So yeah, without further ado, before the rain comes down, let's slap on the pack and let's fly, baby. Let's fly. Alright, I'm just gonna leave the camera on. Let's go, people. Let's go. Can't believe it's sunny today. And it's a beautiful day. Let's do some orbits first, so you can hear the sound of this little thing. It's pretty quiet. Let's go out to sea. It's kind of windy, so there's gonna be Jello, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna land this thing at 6 minutes, guys. 13.6 volts. Let's see whether I can land it on my chair. Yeah, baby. That's how you land like a pro, bitches. Damn, I'm sweating. But that was a good first pack. As you can see, it doesn't. You can't really tell this is a 2.5 inch. Handles like a 5-inch. Only thing is I need to tighten this down because currently there's Jello showing, and I'm pretty sure that on the footage onboard recording the Rocksteady will figure everything out and make it smooth. But yeah, maybe I should put an ND filter too because it's so sunny today. I didn't expect it to be so sunny. But yeah, let's put on another pack here and then I'll go somewhere else for a freestyle session with this. Alright, let's go! Alright guys, I'm at the proper freestyle spot now. As you can see just now by the sea, I did some mild freestyling, but this is a proper freestyle spot. And we're gonna see whether the Proto25 can dive, can meti, can do all the things I do with a 5-inch. So let's see. I'll share my thoughts after the whole video. Hey! Alright, there you have it, guys. The Proto25 in action in two different environments. Nothing too draggy for the cinematic and freestyle videos because I just want to give you an idea on how this thing handles itself for both style of flying. It didn't disappoint. So for the 720 mAh 4S battery that I use on both styles, I got 6 minutes for cruising, cinematic flying, and 4.5 minutes for freestyle. So that's good in my books. And furthermore, this thing is so light. The battery is so light, so small. I can pack a bunch of this in my travel bag, and I won't break my bank because it's cheap, and I won't break my back. So yeah, that's a plus point. But having that said, it needs some fine tuning because there are some minor jellos and prop wash that I wish to eliminate. But other than that, this thing handles itself pretty awesomely. So normally for smaller quads like this, right, the lack of power like always makes it hard to catch itself after doing tricks, and it can either be that or it can be too light and floaty that it's so hard to freestyle. You don't have the throw, and then when you kill the throttle it doesn't drop as you want to. But this thing, it actually does what I want it to do. And yeah, I think the power to weight ratio is close to perfect. I couldn't tell the difference between flying this and my 5 inch. So I'm pretty psyched to have this in my arsenal now. And now that this maiden flight video is over, like, I can put this guy to the real test of doing crazier tricks that I love so much and see whether uh it can handle all my hard crashes. But yeah, so stay tuned for the upcoming videos in my channel. It will feature a lot of this quad. And shout out to Petty Flips also for sending me his 5 inch frame. Can't believe it. This dude is a legend. Send me his frame as a token of appreciation for being the first to review the Proto25. So also stay tuned for that. And yeah, if you like this content, please give me a like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below if you intend to get this as your next build. Your interactions will motivate me to create more for you guys. And yeah, having that said, that is my time, guys. This is dopeyfpv. I'll see you on the next pack. Bye bye.